So hello guys, myself Priyavrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Deloitte off-campus drive 2023. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the timely updates regarding various off-campus and about the various preparation videos or the guides. We're uploading videos related to TCS preparation or the interview preparation and Accenture off-campus preparation and Infosys, Amazon and other companies, also Juho. So many about various companies we discuss, and also we take multiple mock interviews as well, the various freshers and experienced candidates, and it's absolutely free of cost. And also you can join our Telegram channel for more off-campus drive updates. Every day we're uploading details of various off-campus, minimum of 5 to 10 off-campus drives for various technologies or various experienced people, as well as for the freshers guys, right? So now let's discuss. So Deloitte is hiring for the role of .NET developer. So they're hiring for 3 different locations, and this is the career page of Deloitte, and this is Deloitte US. So if you know, there are 2 positions, two Deloitte branches are available. One is the Deloitte and another vertical is the Deloitte India, right? And Deloitte USA and Deloitte India, right? So this is for Deloitte US, and they're hiring for .NET developer. So basically there are 2 positions are available for same technology. So this is .NET developer, and if you see here, the similar job is available. So one by one I'll be discussing because there is some difference between these 2 positions. So that's why I am asking all of you to watch this video till the end for more details, right? And they're hiring for the .NET developer, and it is available for 3 different locations. So according to your interest, you can join any of these locations, because right now it's a hybrid mode, so you need to choose accordingly or wisely. And Bangalore, Gurugram and Hyderabad, 3 different locations are available, right? So coming to the various educational qualification required for this position, because you know about the other things, like you can later go through all these things. These are not required as of now, right? So according to the qualification required for this position, according to this, is the bachelor's degree or the master's degree or PhD in computer science or any other relevant field, software development experience with focus on digital asset or the blockchain, etc. And you should be expertise or hands-on knowledge or experience in C#, .NET or the Node.js or ASP.NET or Azure or IaaS, that means Internet as a Service or Platform as a Service. Infrastructure as a Service and Platform as a Service, AngularJS, Docker or the SQL Server, etc. So these are the key stacks or the key skills are needed for this position, right? So, and coming to the year up or the batch criteria, so basically there are 2 positions are available for 2 jobs are available for same kind of technology or vertical. So this is .NET developer and this one is also .NET developer, but this is for the freshers or the fresh graduates, and the year of pass out is basically from 2020 to 2023. That means you should be ready to join Deloitte if you are being shortlisted for this position as soon as possible, right? So, and there is no such percentage criteria here. So any batch candidate and with any percentage they can join, and other qualification details are also needed, or other measurement criteria are also there, like skills and all. But yes, these are key things you need to take care of. So it is for the freshers or entry level position. It is 0 to 3 years of experience candidates can apply for this position, and for this one 3+ years of experienced candidates can apply for this position. Like it's an associate kind of position, and it's a senior associate kind of position, right? So so if you're interested for this position according to your experience or expertise, you can click on the apply, then you'll be able to apply. So basically it's up to you whether you fall under this umbrella or this one, but you need to choose according to your experience. So basically you need to log into the Deloitte career page or the portal. So if you are new to this page, you can click on the create profile, else you can log in and you can apply. So basically there once you have logged in or sign up, it will be asking you to upload your resume. So if I click on the create a profile, so it will ask me to copy or paste my resume or upload from my computer. Then it will automatically fetch all the details. There is no such difficult questions will be there, or some rocket science question will not be there. So the basic questions they will be asking. So as a applicant, you will be knowing everything. So all the details will be it will be regarding the job your basic details and the educational qualification and all. And coming to the selection process, so basically only the selected people will be receiving the invitation, I mean test invitation from Deloitte. And basic pseudocode or pseudocode kind of questions will be there. So once you have qualified this round, then there will be a technical interview. I am talking about this one, and for this one direct technical interview will be happening. So and followed by the managerial and the technical round. So managerial round is also an rejection round, and there also they will be asking you the technical questions only. So at that time the manager will be taking your interview, and he will be, or he or she will be taking mostly it will be 70% technical stuff and 30% will be the management and about your aspirations and all, or about the functional stuffs will be there. So this is all about this position. So I'll be posting these two links in the description of this video, so that you can apply for these positions according to your eligibility criteria, right? So if you have any questions or any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll help you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next off campus video.